Yo, what up, good? What up, Timeless? What's up, Builder Beast? What are y'all doing? It's late as fuck, bro. It's late as fuck. This music is kind of like super loud. Is it loud for you guys? It's kind of super loud for me. I just turned it down on my end, but I don't know if it's too loud for y'all or not. About to code some, dude. About to code some. Did you get the chicken? No, I didn't get the freaking chicken, man. I got a burger, and then I got a protein shake. So I fucked up. I didn't get the chicken, dude. I mean, I'd rather not. I'd rather not have the burger because like the burger, it has a bun, and it's just not the best for you. It's not the best for you. Then you got condiments, and it's like you don't need the condiments, and usually the condiments have sugar on it, and it's just like, yeah. There's better things than the burger. The rice and chicken that I make is a lot better than the burger. There's more protein, more calories. What up, Mad Lover? Yeah, yeah, yum. Right, right. Yeah, it tastes good, doesn't it? Should we, bro, should we get some work done? It's like, dude, I really want to get some work done, but at the same time, I just want to, like, chill and play games or something. I don't know. Might as well get some work done, though, right? I want to do, like, at least an hour of work before bed. If I can do that, then I'm Gucci. Yeah, chicken and right. Let me pop out the chat real quick. Chicken and rice is good. Yeah, chicken and rice is really good. The rice is like, eh. How do you have 6 concurrent viewers and 2 views? Probably just doesn't. It just doesn't update right away on your end. That's why. YouTube's on drugs. Yeah, it just doesn't update right away. I don't even know how many concurrent viewers are though. I don't even trust this. I'm just like whatever. You know what I mean? Um, yeah, I don't know. This is like weird. It just, yeah, I don't. It just doesn't update right away. But should we do some code? Should we do some code? Yo, Builder, you saw where we were last, right? You were here. We were cracked. We were cracked earlier, bro. Game's looking good, bro. Come on, dude. Come on. Game's looking good. I think so. I think so. I think it looks good. It's a nice little game. I think my eggs. Look, Builder, I don't know if you were here earlier. I asked in chat. I don't know if it's that deep or if I'm overthinking it or what. What is the game? It's a grow a garden game. It's called Grow Grandma's Hair, and it's got quirky themes to it. So I'm gonna do like a play on words. So like Black Widow is a Black Widow. See, like it's a lady. You know, I don't know. Is that stupid or what? Like I have no idea. It's gonna be fun though. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna make it fun and engaging. But like, dude, look at this, bro. We're here. We're here, bro. We can pick up the fucking pet, drop the pet. That's lit. Like, I love that. I love that. Yo, what up, sinners? What up, bro? I don't know. Kids won't know what widow means. Yeah, it's going to be in the definition. It's going to be in the definition. Look, the Black Widow is a spider who lost her husband in an accident, or did she eat him? Oh, well, don't remember. Good luck. Don't leave this one under the bed. Just like some corny shit. I don't know. So, yeah. But we can pick up the spider and drop it, which is super fucking cool. I think that's really cool. Um, yeah, I think that's dope as fuck, to be honest. What up, bro? Yeah, we're just doing some work again. This is where we're at right now. I forgot what I was gonna do next. It was stats. Ah, the stats, bro. The stats, and then the focus, and then the pets are pretty much done. Then it's like animations and stuff like that. Um, but dude, come on. Like, come on. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. We cooked earlier. We fucking cooked earlier, bro. Alright. Alright. It's time to stop fucking looking at it. I only started watching your streams yesterday, so I haven't seen the other parts of the game. Do you want me to show you real quick? You should make the plot button outline lighter, like this one. I think it's good. I think it's good, but what I was thinking was maybe I should make it like, oh, maybe I should have it the same color as all my other blues. This is like the only different blue in the game, actually. Like, this blue is the same as this blue. Like, all my blues are the same except for the plot button. Maybe I should keep it that, or maybe I should just make it gray. I don't know. I don't fucking know, dude. I accidentally bought a spider, and those don't make money, so I kind of screwed myself there. You started watching today? That's crazy. That's crazy. You guys just started watching my stuff, bro. Really, really nuts how that works. Alright, so I just bought 2 lemon seeds. And now I'm growing lemons. And these are gonna... I'm gonna remodel these. These look like shit. These look like absolute shit. So I might remodel these. Or should I keep this in here? Should I keep this in here? Your most underrated streamer ever. Thank you, Timeless. I appreciate that. Am I a streamer now, you guys? I've been streaming for like, what, a week and a half? Am I a streamer now or not? I don't know. I don't know if I'd go so far to say. The label. Labels are big. Labels are big. Labels mean a lot of stuff. Once you're the label, that's your life. You're stuck. So this is the game pretty much, dude. Like, yeah. I just sold, you know, so, you know. Like, you could say early stages, I guess, but it really is just a matter of polishing and finishing. Like, the system is there. The features are in. You know, it's working. It's really just a matter of adding animations and making it more engaging, adding VFX, all that type of stuff. IEM supremacy? What is that? What's that, Mido? Loki make a seed stock? What is a seed stock? Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, there is going to be a seed stock. That's what this label is for, this orange label. And that's what also this label is for as well. Which I should make this the same color as this, because that would be very, very good if I did that. But yeah, this is the seed stock. It's just I haven't put the seed stock mechanic in yet. It's very simple. It's not like it's gonna take long for me to do. So I'm not too worried about that. My main focus right now is getting these pets really, really done and just being in a state where once I get these pets done, it's really just polishing. Can you add me? Sure. If you want to add me, you can. Like, if this is on Roblox, that is my username. But yeah, so yeah, I think it's gonna work. You should make melons grow on bushes. Melons grow on bushes. Huh. That is interesting. Melons grow on bushes. I don't even know, but that could be a thing. This is literally just a model I came up with. This is just a model I came up with, so I mean, I literally spent like 2 seconds on it. I just wanted something to start experimenting with and putting into the game. But yeah, that is the game, bro. That's the game right there. So there's really, then you have this, which is the gift UI. So I think that's fine, you know. Yeah. There, see, so there we go. Those are not bugs. Those are not errors. Those are just warn statements. Yeah. Depending on the melon too, I think. What do you mean? But also not trees. They grow on plants, not bushes, but also not trees. I mean, you could be different. I mean, dude, I don't even think it matters, but yeah, like, I'll probably end up doing research on each plant and see how it grows, and then I'll just base off that. I made one tiny PR to CMDR, which I think is used in GAG, so I can technically say my code is the biggest game in the world right now. Wait, what do you mean? Tiny PR? What does that mean to CMDR? What does that mean? I was just thinking bush would be easy since it's a couple parts. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, I'm just gonna, Sinners, I'm just gonna do research. Like, I'm just gonna do, I don't know how plants fucking grow, so I'm just gonna do research on all the plants that I want in the game that I'm not sure about, and then I can go from there. What up, RZ? Commander is a pretty neat admin console thingy. Okay, got you. How am I? I'm alright, bro. I'm alright. We're just gonna, I think we're gonna get some work done, dude. I think we're gonna get some work done. I don't know. I'm at the stats, and that is like, honestly, I don't feel like doing the stats, bro. Honestly, it's just like not interesting to me. Are you planning on using data storage for the shop restocking? Good question. Good question. Maybe. We'll see when I get there. I think so. To make it global? Yeah, I think I am. No, I don't know. That's a really good question. That's a really good question. I mean, I think that would be the best thing to do, would it not? But at the same time, yeah, I mean, that would be the best thing to do, would it not? That would be the best thing to do. Make global for the restocking. I haven't put too much thought into it other than the actual logic of the timing and the RNG and that sort of thing. Like, I already have that down in my head, and I already have like half the functionality created already, like programmed up. So, but other than that, yeah, I haven't put too much thought into it. Could just use os.clock or whatever as a seed. Yeah. Dog, why are you back on SMH? Bro, I'm trying to get this game out, man. I'm trying to get this game done. I can get a little bit more work done tonight, G-Done. I can get a little bit more work tonight. You feel me? If I can get like an hour in before bed, I'm good. I'm starting the stats for the pet. Hungry for that second monitor? You're funny, bro. I don't know if I'm hungry for a second monitor, but I'm hungry for some success on a game that I've put out. You know what I mean? That's really all it is. All night is crazy. I gotta wake up early tomorrow, so I'm actually gonna try to be off in like an hour or so. You need a second monitor, Mito. I feel that. I stay up until 4 a.m. last night working on stuff. Jesus H, dude. I do sometimes, but I'm locked in. That's crazy. I do sometimes, bro. I do sometimes. But I'm just like, fuck, dude. I gotta go to bed at least before fucking 1, dude, or I'm cooked. But really, I should go to bed around 10. And it's fucking 10:40, so I kind of fucked myself already, didn't I? I just feel like, I just always feel like at the end of the day, no matter how much work I get done, there's more work to be done. So I feel like I need to get more done. Like I'm just a grinder by nature. Sounds like game dev? Yeah, bro. Facts. That is hella facts. Jesus H. It's a lot of work. So I need to... I wonder... I mean, this is like, I need to save this. Position per pet. Plant pet. Alright. Hatch egg. Okay, what's hatch egg? Add pet egg. I need to keep track of this key. This key is very important. This key is very important. So, I could have a table. I could just do a table. Look, I can get this done pretty, I feel like pretty quickly if I just add another table. I have so many fucking tables. I don't need half these tables, guys. Most of these tables I don't need. I just have a dedicated table per function, per method, which is just really not necessary. But at the same time, it's just like doesn't even matter. It's just one of those things that really doesn't fucking matter. But like life, or I could do stats per pet. Stats per pet. Yeah, stats per pet. This is gonna be a good table. So we'll have purchase, pet egg, no, plant egg, no, hatch egg. This is where it all starts, guys. This is where it all starts. So if not self dot stats per pet key, then self dot stats per pet key equals life equals os dot clock, and then we'll have booster equals 1. I think, is that right? 1 to 100. So I don't know how boost is gonna work, how I'm gonna do the math for adding the boost, but I have my boost function. I'll just show you guys real quick my boost method in my class, in my grow class, and I'll show you how that works real quick. So here I have growth object, finish growing, and then here's the boost right here. So in finish growing, it will like clear any boosts. And then I have add booster right here. Okay, so yeah. I haven't touched this in a minute. I just have a good idea that it works, but I haven't tested it yet. So, yeah. But it's not like a difficult thing. It's very simple stuff, so I don't think it's going to give me too much trouble, or if any. But yeah, so this is the add boost function. So, I see what I'm doing now. Now I'm thinking if I do a boost of 1 to 2 maybe, or no. Okay, because a player can have like a lot of pets, right? Jesus, I'm missing chats. Make this your full-time job and you won't have to worry about stopping to get up early for real unless you aren't getting up for work. Yeah, I don't know about a full-time job. Like, I don't want to work for companies anymore, but I do want this to be like what I'm doing for myself to sustain a living. My DevX just hit. Hell yeah, sinners. Hell yeah, sinners. Are you bankrolling or what, bro? That's lit, dude. It's freaking lit, man. I'm happy for you. You could monetize with rare and good selling divine fruits, whatever you're doing. That's a good idea. W. Once I get out of a hobbyist work, I'm gonna buy all the sound making accessories before dev Xing any. So yeah, hobbyist work. I'm gonna buy all the sound making accessories. What are we talking about, Mido? How lucky you are not to have any errors in your code. Sometimes, bro. Sometimes it just be like that, and it's really just comes down to experience. How many times have you set up a certain mechanic? You know what I mean? So if I've set mechanics, if I've set up logic like this many times, then, you know, sometimes you just kill it like that, I guess. But that's not with everything, you know. Like, I always have issues with C-frames, like we were talking about earlier. Like the transient harmonica that plays sounds in game. What game are we talking, or what sound are we talking about? Are you talking about in the Kingdom Hearts background music we're listening to right now? All right, let me go back to... I'm just trying to think. What makes sense? Like, what number makes sense for this? So, like, where should the boost start and where should the boost end? I'm thinking 0.1 to 1. And so this will do plus 0.1, plus 0.2, plus 1, which is the max. And so, like, if you have, like, 6 fucking pets and they're all maxed out on boost, then that's what? Add 6? That's 6. So now it's a 1.6 on the booster, which is a good multiplier, no? Like, that's fair. You know what I mean? And then it's like, because that gives room for grind, that gives room for growth. I think I'm just gonna do that, bro. I think I'm overthinking it. I think I'm just gonna... It's really not that deep. It's really not that deep, bro. Yeah, it's just not. It's dead not. Low-key jealous of what, bro? Some guy I work with has the harmonica. What is this harmonica, bruh? No one can do anything with frames, C-frames. That's funny. Some people are cracked out of their mind with C-frames, bro. It's like, whatever, do your thing. But... And then they'll be like, you don't know what a... something, what another is for this? And it's like, bro, shut up. I think he bought it a few years ago before it got super expensive. What are we talking about? What are we talking about, chat? Are you going to add procedural animations to the spider? No, RZ. That is just so unnecessary. I'm not going to do that. Like, that would be cool and all, but that's going to take time. And I don't got time for that. I'm just going to add the most basic animation ever, to be honest, dude. I don't think I've ever messed with... I know. What is that? It's a Roblox hat that plays sounds in like every game. It can be so annoying. Oh, okay. I feel you, bro. Animations are time consuming and difficult. Yeah. I asked that same thing earlier about procedural animations. With inverse kinematics? Oh, okay. Yeah, people really use like abbreviations. I barely abbreviate. I think this is it. This is it right here. And so these are the stats. And then what should okay, I don't want to type out inverse kinematics every time. I've never even messed with that stuff, dude. Honestly, I'm not gonna even, you know what I mean? Like, I've never messed with that stuff, so. I'm thinking for this, though. What I'm thinking for this is, what I'm thinking for this right here is like, It's not for everything, but it can be fun. Got you, bro. I'm thinking, for the life, so the maximum life is gonna be 7 days. So you have 7 days, and then they're fully grown. Okay, and so until they're fully grown, because when they're fully grown, it's just gonna say fully grown or whatever. You know what I mean? And then until then, though, it's gonna have the I'm thinking, like, are we gonna do minutes and then hours and then what? Like, I'm kind of like wondering what to do with that. But let's have ChatGPT create that for us, bro. Let's have ChatGPT create that for us, because I don't got time to sit here and fuck around with that on my own. Like, ChatGPT really is useful for, like, basic ass functions like this, bro, to be honest. Can you make me a function that takes in a start time and compares it to present time, and then turns it into a string of days, hours, minutes? Make that motherfucker clean. Make that motherfucker clean. You feel me, big dog? Yeah. All right, make me a function that takes in a start time. os.clock. I said clockle. Clockle. Look, ChatGPT is fire for this in comparison to that. Present time. os.clock. Bow. Bow. Days. I'm gonna pull all the kids with the weightlifting sim that I'm making. That is actually freaking crazy, bruh. You're actually freaking crazy, bruh. ChatGPT has its uses, but far too many people use it. Just cheat or be lazy. Why, bro, talking to ChatGPT like Eric Cartman? What? Do I sound like Eric Cartman? I was like, I don't even know what I was doing, honestly. I was just talking. But Eric Cartman, bro? Like, you're cap. You're cap, dude. You're cap. You're cap, you're cap, you're cap, you're cap, you're cap. Oh, this is lit. Look what it did. Look what it did, guys. And this is going to work every time. Let's keep it a buck. Let's keep it a buck. This is going to work every single time we run this, bro. I mean, let's just keep it a freaking buck, dude. Format elapsed time. Bro, yes, he did. Bro did not sound like Eric Cartman. That's what I'm saying, RZ. Like, is he dead ass? Have you watched South Park? You've never watched South Park, Sinners? Oh my god, Sinners has never watched South Park, you guys. Chat. He tears Sinners apart. He's never watched South Park, bro. Holy shit, dude. Chat. Oh my god, chat. Sinners has never watched South Park. Oh, Sinners has never watched South Park before. That's crazy. That's crazy. Bro, I watched it a bit when I was like, I know. I started South Park super young, dude. Crazy. Like, way too young. I had no idea what I was watching, but I loved it. It was weird. Like, I knew actually, like, a lot of the stuff that I was seeing. Like, I actually was able to, like, laugh at it and tell, like, it was funny and why it was funny. Then there was other stuff where I was like, what the fuck does that even mean? It was crazy, though. But yeah, I was young as shit, dude. I was like 10. I was like 10, bro. 10 or 11. Like, holy shit. Like, that's young. 8 is crazy, but yeah, I was like 10, I think. Your profile pic looks like Quandle Dingle. Who is that? Who is Quandle Dingle? 10, damn, didn't know they made South Park at 1970. Jesus fucking Christ, bro. I'm not that fucking old, bro. You are crazy. Yo. Format elapsed time. Boom. Cool, bro. Is it says start time is a number? Is os.clock a number? I feel like it is, right? Search it up. Yes. Yeah, I feel like it is. Okay. I heard clock was better, bro. I heard clock was better. I don't know. I heard like clock was the meta. It works either way. It works either way, bro. I don't know. I don't know the exact difference, but it works either way. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Yeah, clock is like clock. os.clock is the replacement for, wait, if you're looking for real world time, like date or time of day, use os.time. What? Is tick, though tick is deprecated in favor of os.time or os.date time now. Let's see what ChatGPT says. I was told by multiple people os.clock is like the meta now. I don't fucking know, dude. I don't really pay attention enough to care though. But let's see. Like, I thought os.clock was supposed to be replacement for tick. Because it worked. I have os.clock in code right now, and it's working as tick would. You're half right, but there's some nuance here. Tick was deprecated. os.clock is not a full replacement. Returned wall clock time. Whole seconds since Unix epoch. High precision real time. CPU time since program start. What? Then why does os.clock work, bro? Benchmarking how long something takes in your script. It is a little confusing. It is a little confusing, is it not? When to use os.time or date time now. I be talking to ChatGPT like it's my homie. For client, os.clock is good. I also heard get server time now is good for server. For client, os.clock is good. Isn't it? Like, like, there's nothing wrong with os.clock. Like, I'm very confused by what this is saying. But this says get time. os.clock gives CPU time, not wall clock. That means it doesn't account for time spent idle, like during wait or when the game is paused. Interesting. Interesting. So I guess I'm using time, guys. I really have no fucking idea. I really have no fucking idea. I guess I'm using time, though. Let's search up os.clock. os.time. Did we do it? See, oh shit, it's in this. Fuck. It's in profile service and all these other scripts, bro. os.clock. I don't want to like fuck that up. os.clock is more accurate? Gotcha, wait, ChatGPT said gotcha, big dog? Yo, yo, that's crazy. Bro, I be talking to ChatGPT like he's my homie, and ever since, he be saying shit like this, bro, dead ass. So, I don't always catch it, but he does say shit like that, dude. That shit is so funny. Hell nah. I'm confused though. I can't just replace it. I don't want to replace it in profile service because that, you know what I'm saying? But they're using timestamp as well, so I'm just gonna use clock. It's working. I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know. Yeah, I don't know. What y'all think, bro? Time or clock? I mean, clock's been working. I don't fucking get it. That's what some people are saying. Clock is more precise, but then ChatGPT just said that it's not. It just said the opposite. I mean, it works for me. I personally don't care too much. I personally don't care too much. It's not that big of a deal. Let's just get her in there. Let's just get her in there. Can I have a... Ooh! We're cooking. We're cooking. We're cooking. We're cooking. We're freaking cooking, guys. Oh, this is hatch egg, though. We gotta do for... No, we don't. Oh, no, we don't. We can do it for... We can have the pet grow if it's pocketed. We can have the pet grow if it's pocketed. Yeah, that's fine. We can do that, I think. I think that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. We can have the pet grow if even if it's in the pocket, bro. Even if it's in the pocket. Yeah, that's lit. Let's do that. And then we'll do birth stamp. Should we do birth stamp? Birth stamp. I should have birth stamp here too. Birth stamp. The only difference is that it returns the amount of CPU time Louis uses, unlike the amount of time since January 1. Corny pun. Yeah, got you. Got you. Was that pun from the what the dude was saying earlier, what Sinners was saying earlier, or what is that from? The baseline for os.clock is since the program supported, I believe. Okay. Yeah, I don't even know. I don't think it matters too much, to be honest. It's not like game breaking. It's not gonna affect the game. I was citing someone from the dev forum. That's his username, my bad. Oh, you're good, bro. Alright. So we got birth stamp here. Now we need to get birth stamp on the client and set that up for the stat. Alright. So yeah. And we're doing minutes, right? We're doing days We're doing days, hours, minutes. So in our stepped event, we're gonna have to do that. All right. How are we gonna do this? How are we gonna do this? I know what we're gonna do. All right, I gotta go. All right, bro. Peace out, man. Be here for the next stream. Sounds good, bro. Have a good night, bro. 30 minutes behind? Bro, leaking the code for Grow a Garden. Yeah, facts, bro. Facts. Okay, what are we gonna do here? I mean, might as well do this. Might as well do that. But what are we gonna do here? Some stuff is just so unnecessary. This might actually be unnecessary, but I just don't even care. Alright, dumbest part about Lua is that it caps sensitive. Is it? What do you mean by that? I'm gonna send these in a remote. Do you? Do you? I don't think you do. When? Where? Oh, I'm kind of confused on what you mean by that. I'm kind of confused on what you mean by that. Oh, well, that's just because that's what that shit's called, bro. That's no biggie. That's what that shit's called. But you can name your variables whatever you want. Yeah, see, you can name your variables whatever you want. You goofball. Ain't nothing wrong with that, bro. Interesting. I just realized something that I should do. I should have this on the server, not the client. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay. Cool. Cool, bro. Cool, cool, cool. All right, now let's awesome. Making tutorials? No. I mean, no, probably devlogs or something like that, like devlogs or something, or like interesting videos. I'm done kind of making tutorials, to be honest. It's just draining, and I don't really enjoy it at all. So yeah, I'd rather do other stuff. Nice progress? Yeah, I think so, bro. We're getting there. I don't know if you saw it, Alex, but the pets are like getting real close to being done. We're working on the stats now, and then it's just the focus mechanic. Um, yeah. So I think it's pretty cool. Pet selected or pet viewing. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah, bro. I'm excited. I'm excited, dog, for real. I just gotta get this part done. You did. I don't understand what this is doing at all. Oh, okay. I see what it's doing now. Are you allowed to say any sneak peeks or not? If you could, can you tell me? You don't have to. I'm not actually a dev for Grow a Garden, if that's what you're talking about. I'm just programming a Grow a Garden game, bro. Coding a game like Grow a Garden. It's gonna be called Grow Grandma's Hair. So you're gonna be growing crazy shit on Grandma's hair. Like all kinds of like weird stuff and, you know, stuff like that. So kind of like a quirky theme. Insane name, but it's good though. Thanks, bro. I think it's kind of like a cool, quirky theme, bro. No one really is doing like weird shit in the genre yet, at least from what I've seen. Like they all get banned, like Grow a Basement, which I don't know how that got banned, to be honest. Like Roblox has said countless of times that they're trying to cater to a older audience now, but then they're banning a game called Grow a Basement. This sounds stupid as fuck, bro. Like they're definitely, they know they're still a kids platform. They know they are. I don't know why they're trying to cap. It's all PR stupid shit, honestly. I gotta use os.time. I have to switch from os.clock to os.time that from what ChatGPT just told me, if that's true. But os.time works as well anyway, so I'm just gonna use it. But let's get this finished first. When do you think the game will be released? Shit, I'm hoping in a week and a half, bro. 2 weeks at max. 2 weeks at max. That's what I'm trying to get it done in. Can't wait to see it. Thanks, bro. I think this will work. I think this will work. We do need to go over to this though and change our ever played Grow a Garden? I've never played a Grow a Garden game ever. Damn, guest. Go ahead and play it, bro. Give her a shot. You feel me? Give her a shot. Make a Forsaken game, but I've never played it before. That's crazy. That's wild. You gotta play these games. You gotta test these games out. See if it's something you like to do. See if it's something you like to play. Do you play the strongest battleground? Me personally, no, I don't. Don't play it. I really only got expertise in gnome code tower defense, but when I help people on their GCT games 1 year ago, got you. Start making a project, man. Start making your own shit. Well, it's working. It's working, bro. Should we sit here for a minute and see if it updates? GTC, GTC, GCT. What is that? What is that game you're saying, bro? Game, but I gotta check on my friend's one. He's like so much better at scripting I am. Got you. Dude, I actually love this spider I made. Shout out to Minecraft spiders where I drew inspiration. Gnome code tower defense. Got you. The abbreviations are crazy. Everybody's abbreviating shit. That's crazy. Hey, 1 minute. We're at 1 minute, bro. We are at 1 minute. We're fucking cooking, dude. Like, we're actually cooking right now. And you know what I just thought of? You know what I just thought of? We can use that old lady image ID for the fucking image. Easy. But no, I kind of want to use a model. I kind of want to use an actual image of the model, dude. Like, I really want to actually use a viewport frame, to be honest, if I'm being completely real. If I'm being completely real. But at the same time, we really could just use a freaking image. It's not that deep. Alright, whatever. Well, the stats are working, bro. I thought that shit was gonna take longer. If I'm being honest. That's pretty much the stats right there. Now it's just on boost action. I want to make them exercise like XP for the boost. On focus action, where they focus and worship other plants, that's when the boost is going to go up. But that's also simple, so I'm not gonna trip about that right now. Oh, we gotta set it up for this as well. And we can just name it the same thing. Gotta go back here and rename these. Gotta go, but good luck with your stuff. Thanks, Alex. Have a good night, bro. I'm about to get off too soon. I got quite a bit done. Fuck it. All right. Take care, Mercedes. Have a good night. I might get off too then. We finished the stats. I mean, I didn't think that I was gonna finish it that fast. But I knew it was simple, so I don't know. But you know, you can never really know for sure how long something's gonna take, I guess. But that was lit. That was lit. This game is exciting. I download a copy yet. Got it. All right. All right. All righty. I might actually hop off. Um, W freaking streams, dude. Holy shit. W freaking streams. Let me know if you guys want to play a game real quick or anything like that. And then we can maybe play a game or something real quick. This is crazy progress in 5 mins. Nice, dude. Nice low key. Ligma? What? What is Egg talking about? The Discord is wilding sometimes, bro. Jace is in the Discord now. Hella dope. Shit's popping off, bro. Shit is popping off. Oh my god. I might, yeah, I'm gonna have to hop off, guys. But all right, everyone have a good night. Thanks for tuning into the streams. I'm glad I got like an hour's worth of work done before bed. That's freaking lit. Stay locked in. Don't give up. All right, have a good night, RZ. Catch you later, bro.